Kenny, what are you doing today then?
Apparently it's a Birds Eye Chilli challenge.
You're gonna not eat Thai sausage with ginger
parsley, and a bird's eye.
and a bird's eye. Okay, here we go. Apparently this way is how Thai people eat, which is Kenny takes this challenge. Any reaction? Oh,
Not bad.
not
quite like
bad. Well done, Kenny. This is our lunch. What the hell? It's a burnt Thai sausage. Burnt Thai sausages. Not bad. Are you ready? No, not now. Round 2. It's still hot.
Yes, very.
So now you don't know what the heat come from the oven or from the bird's eye chili. Bella, would you like some sausage?
I'm pescatarian.
It's a bird's eye chili challenge.
Chili challenge.
Yes. You see, bird's eye.
I went from a green one.
Or jalapeno.
No,
Bird's
a green bird's eye to a red one. It's actually really nice.
How many you been eaten so far? How many have you eaten?
What? Chili?
Yes.
Well, 8-ish now.
Yeah, lot.
Because we had about,
Many of them already.
we had about 30.
Okay, ready? Round 3. Okay, he's starting round 3. He has eaten 8 chili so far. Now it's number 9, yeah?
Yeah.
Thai parsley, ginger, and
My new favourite thing. Chili.
of course,
I'll finish this chili.
yes, okay, all yours. Right, round 3. Nothing, I just
What was it down
for chili challenge.
Matt, we've been eating these bad boys. I hear that you're scared to eat them.
Weirdly enough,
I've been with my wife for some years.
weirdly enough, he's really enjoying it. He
I
eat
really
8.
do.
He eat 8.
Yeah, I used to be the same. When it's constant though, it gets... Where's the dog?
That's an easy sound.
Oh.
I can feel it sort of tingling. Like my mouth tingling. But round 212.
Kenny said round 212. He wants to skip now.
How many we are at now?
We'll see the result. I wanna eat some as well.
Looks like the devil. Kenny's gonna die.
He's gonna go with whole chili this time. Hang on, what round is it?
Round 6, 7.
Round 7. Okay. Oh my god. My mouth is fire. Because of you enjoy so much the sausages, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we got 4 sausages left
And 4 chili.
and 4 chilies.
And he's only on round 2.
Country boy, would you like to have chili challenge? No.
He's only on round 2.
man. My mouth is fire.
How are you?
Right. I'm gonna go with whole red. Yes. I like it. Not bad, isn't it?
I think it tastes better with the whole chili. Like these aren't actually spicy.
No.
They're just like hot in Dick and Coke.
Just eat it, yeah.
And then these are just like heaven.
Look at that minute to finish. Sausage you don't have to finish. Now,
Ready, go!
final round.
Cheers.
Cheers.
The winner is. The winner is. She took a drink after she ate it. She took a drink after she ate it.